Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, I have picked up the special topic which is GlideRecord versus GlideQuery. Let me show you demonstration quickly. So this is the background script and I have this script ready for you. First of all, GlideRecord. So this is my query. I'm just displaying the number of this particular sysID. Okay. Let me print it first of all. Run. Yes, good. Very nice. But let me show you the nuisance of GlideRecord. But if I change the field name, let's say sys underscore, and I forget about ID. So this is the field name which does not exist, right? Let's say what it will print. Okay, so you see here, it is printing everything. It is printing all the incidents which are there in the form. Are you aware of this issue?
Oh no!
So this is one of the issue which GlideRecord has. If it does not find the field, it will execute the whole. And if you made this mistake in your logic, in your code, then you understand the consequences. It will terminate everything, right? Now let me show you GlideQuery. This is the code. It is doing the same thing. Let me replace it. So just look at it. Now the syntax of GlideQuery is different. I will create a separate video where I will introduce the syntax and everything. But for the time being, just see it, okay? So in line 1, we are just declaring the GlideQuery, and then this is the sysID. I'm printing number, state, and short description. Let me execute this. So you see what it is executing? It is executing number, state, and the short description. It is doing good, but let me do the same check here. Let me change the short description to DESC. Again, this field does not exist. So let's say what GlideQuery do. It is saying nice error, unknown field short description in the table incident. So it is catching this error and it is displaying the names of all the fields. So like this, there are many other advantages of GlideQuery over GlideRecord. Ultimately, inside GlideQuery, use the GlideRecord only, but it pre-check all the errors, it pre-check all the fields so that you will not come across any issues. So now let's go to the theoretical part.